Welcome back. Now let me show you how to edit sales. So let's take, for instance, let's say the items you are selling is finished. Okay, let's take our bottled water for instance. So as you can see here, the quantity is 30. The remaining is 25. It means you sold 5. Let's take, for instance, that there are new packs. Maybe there are new stock. Let's say 10. You've got new 10 packs. Let me show you how you are going to add it. Okay. Now you see that the quantity is 30 and the remaining is 25. So if you want to add the 10, this is what you do. You just click this pencil here and then you add the 10 to what? The quantity, which is 30. So you make this is going to be what? 40. And then the remaining, you add the 10 to it. So it's going to be what? 35. Then you save. So when you save, you see that it will reflect here. That's right. So that is how you can edit a product. In the same way, let's come to sales. Let's say when you were entering a sale record, you had there was a mistake. Let's take our bottled water. Okay, so let's take this third record for instance. Let's say we were supposed to enter quantity 1 and then we did 2. In the same way, if you want to edit, you press this pencil here, then you change it to 1. Then you save. Now when you change it to 1, it is going to affect the quantity. Okay, so now it means that the remaining will increase. Okay, the remaining will increase because you have reduced the quantity sold. So let's go and check. When you come to my products, okay, bottled water, you see that now it is 36. Okay, because it was 35 and we edited a sale record and said that okay, no, we made a mistake when we were selling. So instead of 2, it is 1. So when you do that, it is going to affect what? The remaining. So instead of the remaining being 35, now it is 36. So you see that the app is giving you updated information. So when you are using this app, your business or your finances is always going to be the correct one. The money that you will see in the app is going to be the right amount, if only you enter the records very well. Okay, so that is how you edit a sales record. Now let me show you something. Let's go back to entering new sale record. Okay, now supposing let's say I've entered bottled water. Okay, bottled water, let's say quantity 3, I save. Okay, so this, as you can see here, this is the record. Okay, let's say supposing I made a mistake, so I want to remove it. If you want to remove it, you just press this container here, then it will remove it for you. That means it will not be added to your sales. That's right. So that is how it works. Kindly install and then try it. If you have any problem, you can call me on my line or you can WhatsApp me. I'll send you my WhatsApp number. I'll give you WhatsApp message so you see my number. Thank you.